Hey guys, Rick here. We have survived the holidays here in our house and we're doing good. I hope you had a great holiday and things have settled down back to a normal routine. I have some exciting news. Super Hairpieces is coming out with something new. As you know, I am a very dedicated user to the Super Hairpieces Polyskin Model HD 111. It is a unit that is 4 mils. So that means it's super thin and advertised as disposable. But I have to tell you, I have really not found that to be true, the disposable part, because to me, these things hold up great. As long as I take good care of it and I'm not crazy and impatient and just do something stupid and rip it off my head too quick and put a hole in it or a rip or a tear in it, it does really great. Everything about it holds up well. But something new is I've not heard of this anywhere. I have not heard of any other company that's done it, and I'm pretty good to peruse around to see what all is out there because I want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest. They're coming out with a model called M111XL. Now, what is crazy about that model is that where this is 4 mils, it is 2 to 3 mils. So it is even thinner than the HD 111. Of course, the big thing will be the removal of it, because if it is only 3 to 4 mils, 2 to 3 mils, and this is 4, then you'd have to be super careful. So my questions would be, is it because the skin is so thin, the poly is so thin, is it going to shed worse? Is it going to be easier to pull the hair out? So I'm super curious. So I want you to stay tuned, because if this works out, as comfortable as this poly system is at that thickness, then one even thinner I'm thinking would be even more comfortable. The question to answer is going to be, how durable is it? Is it going to hold up at all? And I think from what I've gathered, they're not giving any kind of guarantees with it. So you buy it, you fly it kind of a deal. But stay tuned and watch out for it, because as soon as I have it in my hand, I'm going to get it on my head and we're going to find out what all the fuss is about. Could be really good.